Already, I can't stop loving and living my new acquisition, my new machine in the kitchen, which of course not only looks beautiful, but it's super functional. The new ILiv Pure water purifier. I'm going to take you through what all I love doing. So I'm going to go straight for hot water. So I've gotten rid of my kettle from the kitchen, and of course it has a child lock. So I unlock it and I press one light press, and I get hot water. So you can see the temperature increasing. It's going to go up all the way to the late 80s, and I'm all set for my green tea or just a cup of hot water. Yeah, I'm going to stop it midway. Let's get cold water. So I don't even need a refrigerator. Like, I don't need to open a refrigerator. At one press, there you go. That's cold water. And the other feature that I love about the machine is the fact that there is zero wastage of water. So there is a pipe that goes all the way to the source, and the same water is recycled and comes right back to the machine. So unlike the RO systems, no water is wasted. And then my most favorite feature again is the detoxifier. So all I need to do is, at the press of a button, put it in a bowl of eggs, vegetables, fruits and all of that, and it generates these ozone bubbles which take care of cleansing the outer layer from bacteria, virus, especially in COVID times. So just such a beautiful machine, super functional. I'm loving every bit. Yes, already. Thank you.